insane in the cheetah print.
Hey guys, so it's mommy's birthday today. Say hi, mom.
Hi, Mom.
You like your 10?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so sweet. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
We're here.
Hi.
Jackson Records.
It's my favorite place, food.
Yeah, so mommy and everybody else is inside.
Seriously, give it.
Oh, how you doing, sir? How you doing, ma'am? Just want to talk to you for a minute. Can I do that? Oh, excuse me, sir. Excuse me, ma'am. Hello. How you doing? How you doing? Hello. Oh, how you doing? How you doing? Hello. Oh, how your people's them doing? Hello. Yeah, yeah.
Alright guys, so we're leaving. We are leaving Jackson Records. It's time for us to go.
Let's go to the left with it, to the right with it, not to the left with it, not to the right with it, not to the left with it, not to the right with it, not to
It was awesome, guys. Mommy, how did you enjoy your dinner?
Nice.
Mom, I said mom.
Yeah. Answering. Let me answer.
It was wonderful. Mother, how did you put a little miss? Yes. How did you enjoy your dinner? Even though this is not showing.
You know what it is? I love it. Yeah. I love it. Let's talk about it. Your boy's been a Christian quite a few years. Victory and faith.
Okay, let's proceed with it. I'm in the house, got the deed with it. These